Hi, my name is Melanie Henderson and I am a K-12 music educator. And I'm here to tell you that if you're looking for a way to enrich your curriculum, to help your students grow artistically, as well as using their academic skills, well, please invite Mr. Kent Murphy into your classroom. I had the opportunity to allow him to come into my classroom and inspire my students. He had an approach of hands-on, engaging by integrating music composition and STEM education. He also used state-of-the-art technology and musical instruments as he walked the students through the process of producing music. Mr. Murphy was such a benefit to have in my classroom.
We're his #1 fan!
Because it really reinforces the importance of arts education for every single student's academic life.